Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for x and y in this system of linear equations using elimination method. Then we have 6x plus 3y is equal to 15, and then 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Then from here, since we have 6x plus 3y is equal to 15, let us call this equation 1. And here we have 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. Let us call this equation 2. Now we have 6x plus 3y equal to 15. This is our equation 1. Let me write it here. Then 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is equation 2. Now, the coefficient of x here is 6 and the coefficient of x here is 5. The coefficient of y here is 2 and the coefficient of y here is minus 2. Then for you to eliminate either x or y, the coefficient must be equal and the sign must be different. So we have the constant here 15 and the constant here 10. But what we need to do now is, in order to make the coefficient of y here equal and the sign different, which is positive and negative, let us multiply this equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Now, if you multiply equation 1 by 2, 6x multiplied by 2, this is 12x plus 3y multiplied by 2, that is 6y is equal to 15 times 2, that is 30. Then we have 5x multiplied by 3, that is 15x minus 2y multiplied by 3, that is 6y is equal to 10 multiplied by 3, this is 30. Now here, let's add the two equations together because we are using elimination method. Now this cancel this. We have 12x plus 15x is equal to 30 plus 30. Then 12x plus 15x, that is 27x is equal to 30 plus 30, that is 60. Now we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by 27, and this also divided by 27. 27 cancel 27 here. Then here we have 3 here, 20, and then 3 here, 9. Therefore, s is equal to 20 over 9. This is the value of x. We've gotten the value of x. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, we can make use of either equation 1 or the equation 2, but I'm going to make use of this equation 2. That is, from equation 2, we have 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. Then if x is 20 over 9, then this is 5 bracket 20 over 9 minus 2y is equal to 10. Then 5 times 20, that is 100 over 9 minus 2y is equal to 10. Now let us multiply the whole of this equation by 9. So this is 100 over 9 multiplied by 9 minus 2y multiplied by 9 is equal to 10 multiplied by 9. Then this 9 cancel this 9. We have 100 minus 2y multiplied by 9, that is 18y is equal to 10 multiplied by 9, 90. Then this is minus 18y is equal to 90 minus 100. Now minus 18y is equal to 90 minus 100, that is minus 10. Let's divide both sides by minus 18. This divided by minus 18. This cancel this. Then this minus cancel this, minus 2 here 5, 2 here 9. Y is equal to 5 over 9. This is the value of y. Therefore, our final answer are x comma y is equal to 20 over 9 comma 5 over 9. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 6x plus 3y is equal to 15. Then we have 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. Now let's consider this. If x is 20 over 9 and y is 5 over 9, then this is 6 bracket 20 over 9 plus 3 bracket 5 over 9 must be equal to 15. Let's see. 3 here, 2, 3 here, 3. We have 20 times 2, that is 40 over 3 plus 3 here 1, 3 here 3. 5 over 3 must be equal to 15. Now, the LCM here is 3. This is 40 plus 5 must be equal to 15. And of course, this is the same thing as 40 plus 5. This is 45 over 3 must be equal to 15. So 3 here 1, 3 here 15. Therefore, the left hand side 15 is equal to the right hand side 15, which is true. Now let us consider this as well. From 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. Then we have 5 bracket 20 over 9 minus 2 bracket 5 over 9 must be equal to 10. Then 5 times 20, that is 100 over 9 minus 2 times 5, that is 10 over 9 must be equal to 10. Down the LCM here is 9. Here we have 100 minus 10 must be equal to 10. This is same thing as 100 minus 10. This is 90 over 9 must be equal to 10. 9 here 1, 9 here 10. Therefore, the left hand side 10 is equal to 10, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.